Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chrome browser tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete extensions from Chrome. So if you have an extension installed in your Chrome browser and you're trying to uninstall it or delete it, following the steps in this tutorial will allow you to do that. All right, so there's actually two different ways we can do it. The first, if your extension is showing up on the toolbar up here in the top right, all we have to do is just right-click the extension. And then as you can see, we can quickly remove it from Chrome right here by just selecting Remove from Chrome. So it's that simple. The first step is just going to be to select that. If the extension is not visible on the toolbar up here, what you want to do is select the three dots on the top right of Chrome, then go down to More Tools, select More Tools, and then select Extensions. This will bring you to where we can see all the extensions that have been installed in our Chrome browser. So Netflix Party right here, that's the one I'm going to remove. All we need to do to remove it is simply select Remove right here. And then all you have to do here is just select Remove. Now, if for some reason the extension is malicious, go ahead and select Report Abuse. All right, so I'm just going to select Remove. Some of the extensions will open up a website asking you why you removed that extension, but these websites do not prevent you from uninstalling the extension. If you go back to your extensions page, you'll see that the extension has now been removed from Chrome. All right, so that's how you remove or delete any extensions from your Chrome browser. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chrome tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.